Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a JBL PartyBox Ultimate that is not working. First, check the power source. Make sure the power cable is fully plugged into the speaker and into a working wall outlet. Try a different outlet to rule out power issues. If you are using a power strip, plug the speaker directly into the wall instead. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds to make sure the speaker is not stuck in standby mode. Next, look at the power light on the speaker. If there is no light at all, the speaker may not be receiving power. Inspect the power cable for any damage. If you have another compatible cable, test it to see if the speaker turns on. If the light turns on but the speaker does not play sound, move to the next steps. If Bluetooth does not work, test a wired connection. Use an aux cable and connect another device directly to the speaker. If sound works through the cable, the issue is likely with Bluetooth settings or pairing. Another important step is resetting the speaker. Turn the speaker on. Then press and hold the Bluetooth button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 seconds. The speaker should restart. This clears small software errors. If the speaker still does not work, check for physical damage or water exposure. If none of these steps fix the problem, contact JBL support or visit an authorized service center. Thanks for watching.